Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, I am Rituja Kamble from Zeal College of Engineering and Research, Pune, from K Division and from Department of Electrical. With our college is organized with a project-based learning online programming. Along with my friends Shah Faisal, Anira, Vaibhav, Dhumal, Atharva, we have participated in this online program. For this online program, we have selected the subject Bridge Rectifier Circuit Simulation using MATLAB. Under the guidance of Professor Manoj Hansar. A full wave rectifier is a circuit arrangement which makes use of both cycles of input alternating current and convert them into direct current. In our tutorial on half wave rectifiers, we have seen that the half wave rectifier makes use of one half cycle of the input alternating current. Thus, a full wave rectifier is much more efficient than half wave rectifier. The process of converting both half cycle of the input supply to direct current is termed the full wave rectification. A full wave rectifier can be constructed in two ways. The first method makes use of a center tapped transformer and two diodes. The arrangement is known as center tapped full wave rectifier. The second method uses a normal transformer with four diodes arranged as a bridge. This arrangement is known as bridge rectifier.
Hello everyone, my name is Shah Faisal and I am going to demonstrate the simulation of full wave bridge rectifier. For this demonstration, we have used an AC voltage source of 230 volts and frequency 60 Hz, and we have used a step down transformer. And to rectify both half cycles of a sine wave, the bridge rectifier uses four diodes named as diode 1, diode 2 and diode 3. The bridge rectifier uses four diodes connected together in a bridge configuration. The secondary winding of the transformer is connected to one side of the diode bridge network and the load on the other side. And we have used a load resistance and two voltage measurements. And we have used an oscillation scope to obtain our output waveform. And we have set our simulation stop time as 0.06 because our time period is 0.02. And to power up the whole circuit, we have used an power GUI. Let's run the program. As you can see that the full wave rectifier inverts each negative half cycle, doubling the number of positive half cycles. Because of this, full wave output has twice as many cycles as the input. Therefore, the frequency of the full wave signal is double the input frequency. Thank you very much.
Hello, my name is Vaibhav Anira. I am from Zeal College in Array. My project title is Bridge Rectifier Circuit Simulation using MATLAB. Advantages of bridge rectifier. A bridge rectifier can be constructed with or without a transformer. If a transformer is involved, any ordinary step down or step up transformer will do the job. This luxury is not available in a center tap rectifier. Here the design of rectifier is dependent on the center tap transformer which cannot be replaced. Bridge rectifier is suited for high voltage application. The reason is the high peak inverse voltage of bridge rectifier when compared to the POV of a center tap rectifier. Transformer utilization factor is higher for bridge rectifier. Disadvantage. The only disadvantage of the bridge rectifier is that the output voltage is two diode drops less than the input voltage. This disadvantage is only a problem is very low voltage power supply. For instance, if the peak source voltage is only 5 voltage, the load voltage will have a peak of only 3.6 voltage. But if the peak source voltage is 100 voltage, the load voltage will be close to per peak full wave voltage. Application of full wave bridge rectifier. Full wave bridge rectifiers are mostly used for the low cost of diodes because of being lightweight and highly efficient. The important uses of full wave bridge rectifier are given below. Mobile phones, laptops, charger circuits, unitary table power supply circuits to convert AC to DC. Our home inverters converts AC to DC. LCD, LED TVs, car alternator to charge the batteries during the running of the car. LED driver circuits, audio amplifier, radios. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.